morning. How are you guys? Today the weather is so nice. My God. Why now it's in the morning around 10 o'clock. That's why feel a little bit cold. But look at the plants. That time look at the plants is so nice. The colors. So healthy. Perfect. Really good. See? Everybody. Wow. But so have little bit cold because today the wind is so strong. That's why. Okay, I'm quick because I don't want getting cold. Really beautiful. Okay, now it's the springtime. Springtime, they blooming flower and getting baby. I have a lot of plants get the baby. You guys see that one? They're not the flowers. They're the baby. Oh my God, the baby like that. Like a, not from under. Oh, under here also. Baby come out like that. Oh, and look at that. Wow. So many baby there. What do you call it? The 恶魔之语. How do you say the English? Wow. Look at my look beautiful. Look at that. Oh, so love it. Wow. Once I take some leaves out and look at that. The baby come out is so many. Wow. That is my Floriana. Oh my God. So good. And look at that one. Wow. God. See it. Guys, see it? Wow. That is my gun. So beautiful. Okay. Wow. Let me put it back. And that one also. Wow. A lot of plants bring a baby. So love it. And that one is, you guys see it? That one is the broken wing head and the baby around over there. Oh my God. And you guys see the special one. You guys remember that one? Before I say I don't want to get it anymore. But after over here until another year again. It's so like that small, but so beautiful. He get me a surprise. But now it look at ahead and bring some more baby. Oh my God. So lovely. I hope that one can cost the summer again. You see that? The stem is so skinny. Okay. And take the look. Who else be a mother, bring a lot of baby, okay? Holy water is very easy to take care and born baby very much. See? and that is the blue dragon, honey pink. Honey pink don't have yet. Check out early. And no. Wow, that one. Oh, here only have one. Have something else or no? Oh, here have one. Oh, over there. Oh my god. I didn't see it before. Okay. Found you. And yeah. So happy. Enjoy the succulent plants is that time is good times. Wow. Look at my yes. Look at it. That is my mango beauty. Wow. And that one also, I remember. Yes. Wow, a lot. Oh my god. Good. Very happy. Wow. Get more? Oh yes. Oh my god, baby surround the mother is so much. And get my wow. That is my Mexican snowball. Wow, look at the bottom the baby. Oh my god, so much. But I cannot reach. Sorry. I cannot reach. I think inside a lot. Yeah, inside a lot. Oh my god. Guys, yeah. So many. I think. Okay. Look at that. Holly Watson. Beautiful color. And a lot, baby. But the head look like broken. Okay. I have something else. Follow me, guys. Look at that guy. Oh my god. That guy is so red and so beautiful. But why now? Look at that. It born one baby over here. Oh my god. Why? That guy, I don't like it. Then put some baby. One here also. Okay. Like that, the single head and big is so beautiful. I'm so love it. Please, I'm thinking the baby I take it out or no, because like that the big head I don't like it. They born the baby. And you guys remember that SP? Wow. You cannot see it. Wow. See it? Baby so much. Wow. Yes. My god. The big head is so beautiful, but now it broke it. Baby a lot. Ooh. And look at it. Wow. My god. They born the baby like that. Oh my god. And her over here had one also. And exactly. I hope culture and Maria and that one is the blood roll and that one also born a baby because the couple thing very hard to take out the list to pack a lady. But that one he had already. Look at the bottom. Wow. And this I have also. See? Wow, that's right. I hope that couple kinds have baby, but they don't have it. Okay, just wait. And look at the, wow, sorry. For, what do you call it? Why the name look like for me? For, Molly and not, no way. 这个叫佛，超佛，中文这叫超佛啊，好漂亮。And that one always bring baby. That one always bring baby a lot. See, keep going. That one is the ice rose. Wow, so beautiful. And my shadows. Shadow no like to bring baby, because I can take some leaves from it and package it. And you see that, guys. Big head is very beautiful. Oh, flowers. I will take it out. Okay. And last, come over here. You guys see that one? My another blue dragon. Before they have 3 heads, right? No, wow! Look at it in the middle. See? Not the head from the middle. The main one. Wow. And that one also. Wow. I think I have to do something for them. Wow. Look at it. EG. I call EG. Okay. See? Maybe a lot. Wow. That means that weather there is so happy. Okay. There you go. You guys see the Maria? She born baby also. See that? But only one I found. Yeah, only one. And the flower come up. Very beautiful. Oh my god. And you guys remember that, guys? I had one video for the say maybe a lot. Wow, see? I cut that before I have 6 heads. I cut that throughout the middle one is take it out. And over here, guys. Wow. I know they would rolling. See? And I let the pork not come out. Yes. Very good. And you go. Look at my very happy. They're going up. Very beautiful. Yeah, it's a star. Ooh. I mean, everybody is so nice and good. And let you guys see that one. That one will go up now. See, so beautiful. And at the top, have the small baby come out right now. The pink. You guys see that? Oh, like that. Okay. Yes. It can healthy going up. Okay. Okay. See, the baby also. Okay. Show you the last one is pretty one. At the video end and show you guys that one. Lemon dice. Look at that. Wow. Maybe a lot. A couple things is the full moon. Wow. So beautiful. Ooh. Oh my god. So happy. And here. Maybe a lot. And see, the head have a lot also. Ooh. Good. Okay, guys. Thank you, you guys. Always take care of me. Thank you so much. Love you guys so much. Appreciate you guys. Today the video just like that. Okay. Thank you. Have a wonderful day and happy planting. Hope to see you next video. Bye bye.